had a spreadsheet, basically an Excel spreadsheet that we ran, and so we have 3 sales meetings. We have 3 a week, and we just tracked it through that basically. And we had very similar that we could put them in different categories of how interested they were, what they were interested in, and then whether they sold or not. So then we had a conversion chart in the background that we could work through. And we looked at some other CRMs, but at the time that we were looking at it, talked to you guys about the potential of the prospecting, and so we held fire, and yeah, now with the prospecting, it's been good. We're finding that it's exactly what we wanted. It's just easy to be integrated. Obviously, going forward with the additional options that we'll have to convert, put a quote in and then convert that into the sales board will be just phenomenal. So, but it's great. We can, we go through that off in our meetings and just methodically work through the things, putting the tasks in place so that they have to put a new task in when one's completed, and then it just keeps that discipline around following up. And just even having the days there that you can see how old the lead is really quickly, and put some disciplines around aging of them and that sort of stuff. So yeah, to date, there's nothing I really wish for. I